Hey you my friend, yes you. This video is for you. I will teach you how to make money from just watching YouTube, Just watch YouTube and start to earn money up to $3 a minute. So if you follow the strategies in this video, you're gonna start to earn money up to $200, $300, $400 a day. It's up to you how much you want to use your time by doing this strategy.
Watch YouTube videos and earn $3 every 90 seconds for absolutely free. You think I'm joking? Well, the website that we'll be using for today is this one right here, sproutgigs.com. But first off, you need to have a YouTube account. Now if you don't have one, I want you to head over to youtube.com and sign up for a free account. To do so, click on sign in right up here, then select create account for myself. After that, fill out your first name, last name, your email address and password, and then just click on next. I'll show you how to use this platform later on to help you make loads of money and achieve maximum results, plus it's 100% free. The best thing about this method is you can choose from different payment options such as PayPal, Litecoin, AirTM, Skrill and the likes. But for me, I personally prefer PayPal. PayPal is one of the best ways to cash out your earnings because it's completely free. It's available all across the world and you'll get paid easily and instantly. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know what payment method you prefer, and I'll try to make videos about that as well. Now before we proceed, you need to head over to paypal.com and sign up for a free account. The sign up process is very easy and can be done in less than 5 minutes. Now let's go to sproutgigs.com. Sproutgigs.com is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy-to-do affordable tasks. This is our money-making website. SproutGigs helps you make money online in a lot of ways. You could be currently employed looking for a side hustle, or you want to earn decent income from this website that simply pays you for watching videos. You can do it in your spare time, and you don't need any technical skills or experience because all you have to do is just hit the play button, watch the video and collect your earnings. You can do it too. So if you go to sproutgigs.com, click on freelance and earn. That will then take you to this page where you can see how much money people are making using this website each day. And even each hour. You can see here the latest completed tasks including the workers' nicknames and their total earnings. As you can see, we have people from Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Kenya, Philippines and a whole lot more. They literally have people from all over the world, all from different countries. Having that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video from. In that way, I can create specific contents for your region in my future videos. Now with this website, people are making hundreds if not thousands of dollars. They have people earning few dollars, $100, $700, and they even have people earning over $2,000 here. This is just amazing. Now you can also see here the latest requested withdrawals together with payment options chosen and the withdrawal amounts. So you can view all of these proofs of payments right here on this website. These are the amounts that people have cashed out. As I said, they actually have different payment options. You may notice that this isn't something that will make you rich though, so don't expect to become rich from this and don't expect it to replace your day job. This is just something that you can do on the side to boost your current income. Moving on, here in the freelance and earn section, I want you to click on sign up over here to create a free account and begin making some money. Doing so, you'll land on this page where you need to fill out your real name and email address, create a password, enter your nickname, and then select your country. As you can see, this is the complete list of countries. They accept people from all over the world, so just select the country you're from. Next, select I'm a worker and then agree to their terms of service and privacy policy before clicking on the sign up button. And after you're done with the whole sign up process, you can now start making money online. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do just that. Once you've successfully created an account, you can now log in. This is what your brand new account will look like. You'll be seeing different jobs available here. Different jobs mean different amounts of earnings. On the right-hand side, you will see how much money you'll potentially be making. Now I want you to change the category right up here to video marketing and click on apply now. What that will do is it will show you these different jobs. We've got thousands of jobs here to choose from, jobs which we can complete and get paid for. These will all be paying us to watch videos. Imagine all you need to do is just click on a YouTube video and watch it at the comfort of your own home. You can do this whenever and wherever you like, all while getting paid. So how does it work? Just click on any job available here. Since this is a brand new account, you'll need to submit a bit of information about yourself, such as your date of birth, your city, a security question and the answer to that question. After that, we can now take a look at how much you'll be paid by simply watching the video. What is expected from workers? This is what you have to do. First, you need to go to youtube.com. Next, search for these keywords. You'll need to type it manually, don't copy it. Third, find a video with this thumbnail. Remember not to use any filters like newly uploads or the likes, because you won't get paid for that. Next is to watch the video for at least 9 minutes, don't skip or else you won't get paid. The trick is to just mute the video and leave it playing in the background, so you don't actually have to watch the entire thing. And by doing that, you'll be making money online passively. You also have to like the video. See, it's that simple. I repeat, you can just leave those videos playing in the background, and it will still count. However, since there aren't going to be that many jobs which pay you to watch YouTube videos, if you want to achieve maximum results and earn more money on Sprout Gigs, you can also complete other jobs or tasks. They're also really easy and even complete beginners can do it. This is a micro job site where people will pay you to engage with their contents, such as liking their Facebook posts. And it literally only takes a single tap of a button, that's all you have to do, and you will get paid for it. You can also get paid by clicking a link and heading over to a site. It doesn't get easier than that. Sure, the pay isn't that high, but considering the amount of work involved, I believe it's well worth it. If you want a side hustle online, then perhaps invest the money you earn through Sprout Gigs in something you believe will grow in value over time. They also offer jobs such as signing up for different platforms where all you have to do is provide an email address, your first and last name, and then you'll be paid. There are thousands of different jobs that you can actually do. The best part is you can complete as many as you like. You can happily sit for a few hours and finish hundreds of these jobs, and the money will pile up real quick. You've probably noticed that some of the people on this website are already making thousands of dollars.